Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to remove a WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. So if you guys want to go ahead and remove a WhatsApp button from your Facebook page, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And I want you to proceed to your menus over here. So preferably, I would like you guys to also proceed to the Facebook page as you prefer to edit. And that's what I've done right now already. So once you're there, just tap on your Facebook name over here and then tap on this 3-line section. Next, once you're there, let's tap on Edit Action button. And preferably, you have added your WhatsApp button through this method. And if you want to go ahead and remove it, it's just gonna be pretty easy. Just tap on remove right here, and it is now gone. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.